Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Persistent Systems Wave Relay MPU5 node and you need to do a hard reset on it. Now you might want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If it's not working or not connecting, or if it's not detected, or if it seems to be lagging or anything like that, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. You're going to need it to set it up again if you do this, because everything will be deleted off of it and it will be wiped back to its out of the box factory configuration. And that's the second reason you might want to do this. If you're setting this up someplace new, you might want to just get a fresh start with everything wiped off of it. So to do this, from the display configuration, we're just going to click the node configuration tab, and from there we're going to click configuration management, and from there we're going to click factory reset tab. And then from there, we're going to get this drop-down menu. We'll open it, and we can choose to keep current settings and wipe everything else. But if we click on Full Factory Reset and then click the Factory Reset button here, then it will wipe everything off, and this will be restored to the way it was when it came out of the box.